Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today we compare the low-light images from the GoPro Hero 6, after the software update to the version 2.01, with the ones from the Nikon KeyMission 170. The images were shot in 4K, the GoPro has stabilization turned on. This feature is not available on the Nikon in 4K resolution. The stabilization in low light on the GoPro was drastically reduced with the software update, to reduce blur, and therefore this is not a big issue for the comparison. In my opinion, the images from both cameras have similar quality under these conditions. The footage from the GoPro is maybe slightly darker, but other than that I think they are pretty similar. What do you think? Here, where the conditions are extremely dark, I think the GoPro has a small edge as the images from the Nikon look worse and more noisy.